Hi guys! Guess who it is? No other than Trisha. And I'm representing Aunt Happy Place today. And you hear those puppies or dog barking in the background? That's a real Jamaican yard. So we're home celebrating and burying our death. And look what she's doing. You know, she has some of the most delicious recipes. And I don't know if anyone has a sister out there that cooks a good breakfast, a good dinner, make a good shake and a good salad, but I do. There she is. There she is. The notorious Henry from Aunt Happy Place. And she's frying some delicious fish. And some soup. Wow, we're helping, and I have to put my aunt in there because me love her like cook food. Me love her like cook food, you know. So yeah,
my auntie's running from the camera.
exactly, but it's okay. We do it like we do it here. Peace.
Never